M&U Group is one of the largest packaging companies and has been offering supreme quality packaging products since 2004. The group concerns are Better Packaging Ltd, M&U Packaging Ltd, M&U Trims Ltd and Reflex Packaging Ltd, high-tech corrugated carton and polybag factory set to redefine industry standards. Its corporate office is located at La Meridian Commercial Space, commercial office located at Onabil Tower, Gulshan, and its factories are based in Ghazipur. It is an export-oriented company with 2 decades of legacy in packaging industry, transcending through utmost customer contentment. From design to delivery, M&U has peerless integrity where quality remains uncompromised. M&U achieved certificates such as FSC, GRS, RCS, Ocotex, BSCI, SEDEX, SLCP, HIG FEM, CTPAT Audit Pass Report. M&U works with more than 70 world-famous brands. It believes customer is at the heart of its business. A flawless supervision from top management is in harmony. It is a corrugated carton, polybag and plastic button manufacturer and exporter of distinction. It has one of the largest facilities of its kind in Bangladesh, equipped with world-famous machinery. The aggregate working area is more than 500,000 square feet of floor space and about 2,000 workers are working here. M&U is an ISO-certified environment-friendly company. As part of its eco-sustainable practices, it stresses utmost importance on saving energy. Through using 1,450 kilowatt solar power generation on rooftop and using energy-efficient machines and equipment, it reduces more than 50% of its total energy requirement. M&U has total 2,500 kilowatt power generation system having gas generators to ensure uninterrupted power supply to its production facilities. Re-engineering has been done in the boiler to return condensate to boiler's feed water tank to reduce water consumption, water treatment cost and blow down. Overall, 25% gas consumption has been reduced so far. To sustain eco-friendly commitment, M&U has recycling plants for reusing post-consumer plastics. The paper waste of corrugated cartons are also reused. 100% of waste generated inside the factory are being recycled internally or through local recyclers. The effluent treatment plant cleanses all the effluents and treated water is delivered to nature. More than 30% of treated water are consumed internally. It has a rainwater harvesting reservoir and afterwards the water is used in gardening, car wash and others. M&U uses post-consumer plastic from its own factories and sources from outside to produce recycled granules in its recycling plant. It can produce recycled polybags from 0 to 100% recycled materials. All recycled plastic materials used in the factory are GRS certified and all products are GRS certified. It issues TCE as well. M&U has fully automated carton manufacturing plant equipped with automatic corrugated board making machines. It uses FSC certified papers to produce cartons. It has a high-speed, fully automatic 2.2-meter world-famous BHS corrugation machine and 3 fully automatic Taiwan origin 1.8-meter corrugation machines having speed of 180 meters per minute. It has 3 folder gluers with flexo printers and die cutters having the speed of 250 boxes per minute. It has also 5 flexo printing machines of 2 colors with die cutter. It has digital printing machines to print live pictures on cartons. At present, it has a capacity of 400,000 pieces of high-quality corrugated cartons per day. M&U produces different types of polybags, such as bottom-sealing bags, side-sealing bags, Ziploc bags, and hanger polybags. Its factory is equipped with state-of-the-art Taiwan-origin machineries such as extruder, side and bottom sealing machine, 8-color flexo printing machine, etc. By using biodegradable materials PP, LDPE and HDPE, it can produce up to 2.2 million pieces polybags per day. It can also produce antimicrobial polybags. M&U also produces paper bags. It produces both printed and non-printed OPP gum tapes of all types in all varieties of size and thicknesses. M&U Trims produces plastic buttons made of polyester resin in a variety of art, design and styles. It also uses recycled resin to produce buttons. All these buttons are free from harmful substances. All products are Oeko-Tex Standard 100 certified. These buttons fulfill the norms and regulations of USA and EU quality requirements. To help render its quality commitments, M&U has own testing laboratory. This lab can conduct sophisticated calibrated tests such as bursting strength test, edge crush test, box compression test, moisture test, and several other tests. To ensure delivery on time, M&U runs its own logistics fleet of more than 110 covered vans to deliver orders anywhere in Bangladesh within 24 hours. M&U follows all local and international social compliance rules and regulations. It is a BSCI certified company. Its primary safety and security focus are people. Fire drill is conducted in the factory premises on a regular schedule. Childcare, free medical checkups, free medicines and maternity facilities are available here. Ambulance service is also available for the workers. Salaries are given through mobile banking service. M&U envisages growth at home and abroad by ensuring customer satisfaction. With a view to providing one-stop service of eco-friendly packaging products, the dream of M&U is to bring smiles to its people and a sustainable, greener world.